In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the energy transfer in a circuit. The circuit in figure 2 shows a 12-volt battery in series with a torch bulb and a variable resistor. When the voltmeter reads 10 volt, the potential difference across the variable resistor is 2V. So for each coulomb of charge we have leaves the battery with 12 joules of energy, because energy from the battery equals charge times battery potential difference. It transfers 10 joules of energy to the torch bulb, because energy transfer to bulb equals charge times potential difference across bulb, and transfers 2 joules of energy to the variable resistor. So the energy transferred to the bulb and the resistor increases their thermal energy stores. As a result, the bulb becomes hot and emits light, and the variable resistor becomes warm, so it heats the surroundings. So energy is transferred to the surroundings by both the bulb and the resistor. Therefore, the energy from the battery is equal to energy transferred to the bulb plus energy transferred to the variable resistor.